Today I'm looking at a rough idle, real bad when it's in gear, on a 2000 Grand Am. It has a 2.4 liter twin cam motor. I took off the breather cover. As you can see, the throttle body hoses that go to it. Got down to the throttle body, there's a cover goes here, bolts here, and there's a hole where it goes through here with a clamp on this. Take those off, you take this cover off right here. Then you get down, you got your IAC valve, and you got vacuum hoses here, 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 and there's one more that I discovered was broken. Goes underneath here and goes all the way down, if you can see it, right there. This is held on corner bolt on your throttle body. While I was at it, I pulled the throttle body off, cleaned it all up, put it back on. Now I'm going to get the vacuum line, put it back on, put it back together, crank it up, and I'll let you know if that fixed it. That's all for now. Bye.